one of the major differentiating factors between extremely successful individuals and not so successful individuals is the ability to communicate effectively. Successful people almost always have the ability to get their message across to others. A salesman closing a big sale, a businesswoman negotiating effectively with a client, or a public representative getting a bill passed in legislature. All these acts require the ability to communicate effectively. The modes of communication are different in each example above. The salesman makes use of the sales pitch. The businesswoman exhibits negotiating skill. And the politician employs oratorical and negotiating skills. But all these skills are characterized by good communication with the audience. In today's world, avoiding interpersonal communications altogether is not feasible. Even if you escape the corporate world and run a small business such as a gas station or a neighborhood grocery store, you still need to be able to communicate effectively with your customers, or else your business will suffer. Also, say for example, if you work in the back office of a company with minimal interaction with anyone, there may be times when you may be called upon to explain a report that you submitted downstream or upstream in your company hierarchy. In such a situation, you will need to communicate effectively to help other people understand your work. Interpersonal communication plays a big part in school, in job interviews, at work, and at various turning points in your career. The sooner you realize this and work on developing your skills at interpersonal communication, the better off you will be, and the fruits of your success will be that much sweeter. Good communication skills are a major differentiating factor that you can include in your toolbox as you aim to attain greater heights and glory. These skills can definitely take you places. If you want a career that requires that you make a lot of presentations, you have to take the hard way and grind it out. You cannot become a good speaker overnight.